What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of BAT Production Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. This is going to be a quick YouTube video. We're not going to do anything too crazy in it. We are just going to be focusing on some of the new sample packs that we released. In case if you guys haven't seen it, we are running a sale on our website for the rest of the year. We will have some updates for 2022 as the year comes to an end, as we are going to be changing some stuff on our website. However, that's not the point of this video right now. The point of this video is to go inside some of these new sample packs. Some of these new sample packs include the PluggNB 2 sample and MIDI pack, the AT Baby to Baby 5 sample and MIDI pack, and the AT Ambience sample and MIDI pack. We have a new sample and MIDI pack that's coming out this coming Monday. So just like every Monday up until the end of this year, we'll be dropping a new sample and MIDI pack, or just a new product for you guys. I figure we could go through some of the samples in the new AT PluggNB sample and MIDI pack. And here I grabbed 4 out of the 20 new sample and MIDIs in the PluggNB. Let's go ahead and go through these samples and see or hear what they sound like. Mind you, you guys get the MIDI for each composition within each melody composition, or I guess you could say each instrument instance of each melody composition. You guys also get the stems, so you guys have full customized freedom to do whatever you want with these melody compositions. Let's play. Super fire. So those are just 4 of the 20 AT PluggNB 2 samples. So there's 16 other ones. Great sample MIDI pack for producers looking to get that PluggNB sound. We also have another pack that does the same thing. So this is a second installment of that. So now let's take a look inside some of the samples in the AT Baby to Baby 5, which is a Lil Baby inspired sample and MIDI pack. In here I have 4 out of the 20 new samples and MIDIs in the new AT Baby to Baby 5. So there's 20 new melody compositions, so I just picked out 4 of them, and I figured we could give a little playthrough of them so you guys get an idea what you guys are getting in the new AT Baby to Baby 5. Let's play it. So, super fire, perfect for Lil Baby, in my opinion. I'm sure you guys would agree with that as well. I think I said we're going to go through one more pack, and we do, and now, I'm just playing through some of these samples in these packs. Obviously, there's a lot more, like there's 16 other different melody compositions. Oh yeah, what I was going to say is we should go through a few other samples in the AT Ambience Trap sample and MIDI pack. The AT Ambience Trap Sample MIDI pack is a little bit different, as it's not really tied to like one artist style. It's more for producers looking to make like The Weeknd, Travis Scott, anything that's like ambient but also has like the trap elements and like darker. Let's take a look in, let's say, like 5 of those samples in that new pack as well. So I picked out 5 out of the 25 in the AT Ambience Trap pack. We're giving you guys 5 additional samples and MIDI compositions in this sample and MIDI pack. I don't know. That's just what we did. There was really no reason but for adding 5 more in this one. We're gonna go through. I'm gonna play these 5 compositions, and yeah, and then we're gonna just call this video a wrap. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys some of the new samples that we have in these new products, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm gonna go ahead and play this. This is one of my favorite samples all time. It's so relaxing and just A1. Tony Snap on it. This one's super gas, too. Don't get me wrong, they're all fire, but I have my personal favorites. I just want to make a quick video. We're not going to make a beat in this one. We're not going to do anything, just wanted to play through some stuff. Let me know what you guys think about these 3 sample packs. Which one is your favorite? Which one would you want to have the most? And, this is the perfect time to, cop some new samples and midis, because we're running a site-wide sale for the remaining of the year. We will be pushing out coupons for the members over on our website. So if you guys want to save more, then you guys should be signing up on the website. But if you're a customer already, you already would have an account, and we'll be pushing out the emails to you. So just be sure to be looking out for emails from help@beatat.com. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, any concerns, need help with anything, you can always reach out to us. Leave a comment down below. This is Andrew at Beat AT, production and publishing, and I will see you guys later.